What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Lake Bastrop. It's April 8th. At April 7th actually. Holy smokes, look at it. They're all boiling over there. Oh, right on the introduction. I don't know what they are, but we're gonna see right now. What the hell? Oh, they're just boiling over there. My freaking ear got stuck. Oh, fish on, guys. Oh shit. He caught me off guard. He caught me off guard, guys. On the top water. Oh, on the whopper plopper. Oh, fuck. On the plopper, dude. Oh, fuck yeah. First top water of the year, dude. Don't move, dude, because he's gonna freaking hug me. Oh, look, they're still jumping. Look at this little dude, guys. First top water of the year. Oh, fuck yeah. Right on, let's do my intro. Alright, guys, look. So, these guys are boiling. There's a whole bunch of fish right here. Oh, fish on, guys! Fish on! Fish on, guys! Fish on! Top water, guys. Top water. Little guys, but they're fucking biting. Look at that. Got him. Got him. Got him. Fuck yeah. Top water, big dog. Got 5 already right here. Yeah, they're all top water. Alright, thanks for the bite, homie. Thank you, you too. Good luck, my man. Got him, guys. Got him. Got him. Got him. Look at top water, dude. That's number 4, dude. Chunkers, dude. is, guys. Look at these fish. Just on the freaking top water, guys. That's what we came to do. Let's do this. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright, guys, so caught 5 already, man. I think 4 or 5. Lost count, but Jesus Christ. I think I should just leave already. The bite was epic, I'm not gonna lie. You can't beat top water. I'm telling you. So, I don't know. I'm debating if I should stick around here. I don't see much activity anymore. So I'm debating if I should stick around or should sleep. Because there's plenty of fish to be caught. I'm gonna be doing some punching. I mean, I got square bills, deep divers. Yeah, I just got different stuff, but I was not expecting to catch topwater today. I did bring it just in case, but thank God I did. We'll see. It died down already. Well, she was fun. Got him, guys. Got him. Don't do it because you're gonna hurt me. The fluke, guys. The fluke is back. The fluke is back, guys. Nice one. Yeah, look at this, guys. This I saw. Shatty, skinny dude. Alright, homie. Bite. Got him. Got him. There's a little chunker. Wow! Ah, yeah. Fuck yeah. On the fluke, guys. On the fluke. Wow. Scared me. Got him. Got him, guys. Saw that? That shit was tight. That shit was tight, man. That's what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. Explosion. Explosion. The fluke, guys. The fluke is back. The fluke is back. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, shit. Got him. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, nice. Little bug. Nice size, dude. I'll get a quick picture of this guy. Let his ass go. Just like I have something. Thanks for the bite, homie. Ah, fuck. God damn it. Yeah. There we go. There it is, guys. Fuck yeah. There you go, guys. Yeah. Get a bite, homie. Recording. Alright, dude. Thanks for the bite, bro. I wasn't recording, guys. Another one. Look at this guy. A decent sized one. More decent sized one. Wow. Wow. Thanks for the bite, homie. Got him. Guys, jumped on the crook there. Oh, rattle crawl. Nice, dude. Wow. They're eating everything. Oh. Oh, fuck, look at this. Hate this big ass freaking worm. Fuck yeah, dude. Look at that, homie. That's what I'm talking about. Saw that? These guys are biting everything right now. He caught it on the drop. That's how I was flipping it. Man, look at that, guys. Good stuff, dude. Thanks for the bite, little homie. Am I recording? All right, guys, quick recap. So, boiling in the morning. So these fish are, if you come here in the morning, catch some top water action. I've been using the weightless fluke, weedless. This thing's been smacking too, been putting in work. And then I've also been using a Texas rig crawdad. Caught one off the jig too. So guys, these fish are active right now. I mean, if you guys want to catch some fish, this is spring fishing right here. Come through Lake Bastrop. So this is a quick recap. I'm working my way back to the bank, back to the dock. So I'm just gonna hit up these banks right here and then head on my way. So we'll see how many I catch. So far I lost count, but I caught over 15 already. So good day, epic day, best day so far in Lake Bastrop. He fucking attacked it. There's a little pass. Get your butt in there. You fucking slaughtered my freaking fluke. Easy there. Oh my god. I caught that on camera. That shit was tight. Hungry little dude. Thanks for the bite, little homie. Good guy. It's a good one. It's a chunker. Chunker, guys. Look at this guy. Wow. Good stuff. Thanks for the bite, big dude. Got him. Got him. Fuck yeah. Nice. On the fluke, guys. On the fucking fluke. Guys, good stuff, little homie. Thanks for the bite. Hey. Just engulfed it. Couldn't hooks at him. Got him. Little dude, but it's a fish. Has all these parasites in his mouth. Look at all these. It's like slugs or something. Little dude, thanks for the bite. Little dude, but I'll take him for the bite, homie. Alright, YouTube family, so that sums it up for today's channel. I am like by the dock already. I'm about to call it a day, but yeah, we did a phenomenal job today. It was an epic day, my best day so far here at Lake Bastrop. I easily counted, I'm just gonna lowball myself. I easily caught around 15 fish, more than 15 fish, but I'll say 15, just because I don't like to exaggerate. But I lost count pretty much, put it like that. I caught 8, 9 right off the bat, right here at this entrance, and then later on, just hustled through and found these fish. But overall, guys, tomorrow's gonna be the eclipse. Today's April 7th, so thank you guys. I appreciate your support. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.